That was really magical.
करते हैं हौसला मंजिल को पाने की, उनकी ही दुनिया कद्रदान होती है। पर होना ही काफी नहीं, परिंदों के लिए हौसलों से ही हर उड़ान होती है।
You're absolutely correct. Veeru, what is your opinion about success?
Well, success is the sum total of Veer plus Roo.
I see.
Well, let me explain. Roots keep you grounded. Wings set you free. Without strong roots, you'll miss a guiding force. With wings, you can explore the world. Roots remind you where you come from. Wings tell you what you can become.
Well said, Veeru. Look at this temple of learning, the glorious New Horizon Public School.
The roots are growing deep, day by day, holding the ground.
Continuously, it is strengthening the wings of the children before they would finally fly. What a fruitful journey it has been. So here, we proudly present a reflection of our achievements for the academic year 2018-19 through this annual report.
Success belongs to those who believe in it the most and the longest. We are proud to present our onward march to new horizons and success. We are honored to share our annual report for the year 2019-20. New Horizon Public School Airoli is ranked number 3 in Maharashtra and number 1 in Thane district among the top 20 CBSE schools of Maharashtra in the Maharashtra School Survey, which was conducted by Education Today.
Our school is voted number 1 in the Parents' Choices category and received the Parents' Choice Award by Education Today.
Our school was awarded for excellence in special needs education by LROC India. Our school is listed among the top 10 schools in Navi Mumbai and awarded one among the best schools in Mumbai as per a survey conducted by Hindustan Times. Education Today ranked our school number 11 in top 20 CBSE schools of India.
Our school is ranked one among the best schools of India and has been awarded School Excellence Award 2019-20 by Brainfeed magazine.
Our school was awarded the Best Participation School Trophy by NSTSC for the academic year 2018-19.
Our school was conferred an award for outstanding performance in SpellQuest 2019 by SpellQuest India.
Excellence is a continuous process and is a gradual result of always striving to do better. Our students excelled at the All India Secondary School Examination and secured 100% result. Our students made the school proud by their remarkable performance. Miss Vanshika Lohana scored 99.2%, stood first in school, second in Maharashtra and fourth All India rank. The other toppers at the All India Secondary School Examination are Miss Vaishnavi Arun Kumar, Master R.S. Shetty and Miss Vedika Mishra secured 98.2% and stood second in school. Miss Anashka Menon secured 97.8% and stood third in school. And Master Heer Dedhia, a child with special needs, scored 90.2%. 68 students scored 95% and above. 97 students scored above 90%.
Our school excelled at the All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination and secured 100% result. Miss Gauri Lohia secured 97.8%, stood first in school and is among the top 50 achievers in India in the All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination. Miss Sunaina Das secured 95.8% and stood second in school. Master Aniket Bachchas and Miss Neha Pillai secured 95.2% and stood third in school. Miss Vanshika Lohana and Ms. Gauri Lohia have been invited to grace Republic Day Parade at India Gate, Delhi on 26 January 2020.
Champions are made for something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. We are proud to showcase our champions who brought laurels to our school. Master Triptraj Pandya, a child artist and a master of tabla, received the most prestigious award, the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2019, from the hands of the Honorable President of India, Mr. Ramnath Kovind, on 22nd January 2019 for excellence in the field of arts and culture.
Master Saptarshi Maiti, grade 10, has secured first rank in Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan at the national level. He was also awarded the gold medal in the Dr. Homi Baba Bal Vidyanik Spardha 2018-19. Students of our school performed meritoriously at Dr. Homi Baba Bal Vidyanik Spardha at all three levels. Master Dhairya Maru secured gold medal, Master Ashok Menon secured silver medal, and Master Sharaf Patel secured bronze medal.
Master Aryan Agarwal was awarded the Star Youth Scholarship by the Government of Singapore to complete his further education from selected schools in Singapore. Miss Navya Srivastava of grade 8 secured All India Rank 2 in Clash of Pi 2018-19 at the national level. Students of our school excelled at the Clash of Pi, a national mathematics contest held in the month of October 2019. Master Neev Shah of grade 6th secured All India Rank 8 and Master Akash Kode of grade 5th secured All India Rank 11.
Master Aditya Karmokar excelled at the MS Office World Championship 2019, qualified and participated for the national level. Master Vivan Chotrani is a wizard of the English language and a master at quiz. He has excelled at multiple competitions at the national level. In the SpellQuest India competition, he was ranked number 2 at the national level. He secured the 4th rank at the national level in the Mars Maze of Words. He was awarded the 3rd rank at the national level in the Mars Word Chase. He excelled at the Britannia IQ Olympiad and was placed 5th at the national level.
Miss Sapna Salian secured the 3rd rank at the national level in the SpellQuest India competition. Our students showcased their brilliance at Quest Coloring Olympiad. Master Veer J.R. secured 8th rank at the national level and Miss Iha Rane secured the 6th rank at the national level. Master Atharva Adolkar showcased his artistic skills at the Mass Primary Colors International Championship 2018-19 and secured 16th international rank. Our students performed meritoriously at the Mass Primary Colors International Preschool Week competition for maths and science. The list is displayed on the screen. Our students excelled at the Mass Preschool Word Master. The list is displayed on the screen. Master Dhruv Banerjee showcased linguistic skills par excellence at NELTA's ECAT National Level English Language Competition. He secured 2nd rank at the national level. He secured 5th rank at the international level in the Spelby International.
Our students performed meritoriously at the NELTA's ECAT National Level English Language Competition. Ms. Purva Shinde secured 2nd national rank and Master Hridesh Pamnani secured 3rd national rank. Master Abhinav Sadhu secured the 3rd rank at the national level in the Britannia IQ Olympiad. Our little masters excelled in triumph in various categories. The list is displayed on the screen. A moment to cherish as our little masters proved their forte by performing meritoriously at the Conquest IQ Olympiad. The list is displayed on the screen. Miss Ume Habiba Ansari triumphed at the Mars Maze of Words and brought laurels to our school by winning the first rank at the national level. Writing is an exploration. You start from nothing and learn as you go. Miss Harshita Nambyar, grade 9, is selected as star correspondent for Times NI, Times of India, for the academic year 2019-20. Miss Shraddha Kanekar secured 6th place in the Inter-College National Level 4-stroke go-kart series 2018.
Miss Purvi Sanu was selected as the best performer in the International Space Science Essay Competition 2019 conducted by GoGuru in association with the esteemed newspaper The Hindu. Our students excelled. The Rhythms at Aura Carnival 2019 and the school was ranked first in Mumbai Metropolitan Region. The list of achievers is displayed on the screen. Our tiny tots showcase their artistic skills at the Nrityanjali Talent Fest 2019. The list of winners is displayed on the screen.
We are proud of our math wizards at the Japanese Soroban and Mental Math. Master Suvir Gokul won the national level championship and Miss Somya Alve secured the first place at the national level. The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. Our students performed admirably and achieved stupendous results at the CBSE South Zone 2 sports events. In the CBSE South Zone Chess Tournament, our under-14 girls team secured silver medal and our under-19 girls team secured gold medal and also participated and secured the 12th rank at the national level. The names of the members of the under-19 girls team are Miss Anaushka Menon, Miss Vedika Mishra, Miss Santhia Korea and Miss Salome Korea. The names of the members of the under-14 girls team are Miss Nidhi Mishra, Miss Nandika Sharma, Miss Gauri Shinde and Miss Siddhika Devlekar. In the CBSE South Zone Taekwondo Tournament, Master Om Kawale secured bronze medal. In the CBSE South Zone Table Tennis Tournament, Master Vandan Kandekar secured silver medal and also participated at the national level. Master Ashay Yadav secured bronze medal in the under-14 category.
The more difficult the victory, the greater the happiness in wedding. We are happy to list the winners of school sports Government of Maharashtra at TSO level, division level and state level held during the current academic year 2019-20. Our students displayed exemplary sporting values and succeeded against all odds. Our students sparkled at the TSO kickboxing competition. The list is displayed on the screen. Master Tanish Shetty, grade 10, displayed tremendous fighting skills and won the bronze medal in under 17 boys kickboxing competition at the state level. Master L. Shresht excelled at the swimming competition in the under 17 boys category. He won the gold medal in 50 meters, 100 meters and 200 meters breaststroke and qualified for the divisional level. At the divisional level, he secured bronze medal in 200 meters breaststroke. Our under 14 and under 17 throwball team won the TSO tournament in Navi Mumbai and participated in the division level. The list is displayed on the screen. Our students displayed their mastery in table tennis at TSO table tennis competition. Our under 14 and under 17 girls team secured the silver medal. The list is displayed on the screen. Our under 14 and under 17 boys team secured the bronze medal. The list is displayed on the screen. Master Om Kawale won gold medal in TSO Taekwondo and won silver medal at the divisional level. In TSO hockey tournament, under 14 and under 17 boys team secured second position. In DSO Wushu tournament, Miss Sachiti Kale bagged silver medal and qualified for division level. Our school hosted the DSO chess tournament on 14th and 15th September. The list is displayed on the screen. Our students gave an exemplary performance at the DSO Yoga and Rhythmic Yoga competition and are selected for zonal level. The list is displayed on the screen. Our students displayed their mastery at Karate tournament. Achievers list is displayed on the screen. Our students excelled and brought laurels at the DSO athletic meet. The list of achievers is displayed on the screen. They are selected for the division level. Our 4x100 meter under 14 boys relay team won the silver medal at the division level. The list is displayed on the screen. In DSO roller skating tournament, Master Param Vador bagged the bronze medal in under 11 boys category. In the Nehru Cup hockey tournament, our under 15 and under 17 boys hockey team secured the second place. The list is displayed on the screen.
Our students displayed their all-round sports and athletic abilities at the New Bombay Area Sports Association and secured the second place in the academic year 2019-20. The list of achievers is displayed on the screen. You can't put a limit on anything. The more you dream, the farther you get. We have a My Jet karate kid in our school. Miss Ira Victor of Senior KG is the youngest person to be awarded the black belt in karate. Master Advait Digankar of Senior KG secured the silver medal in kata and bronze medal in kumite at the International Goshinkan Goju Ryu Karate Competition. At the 33rd National Open Chess Championship, Master Viraj Rane was placed 5th in the under 7 boys category. Master Yash Rane secured the silver medal in the under 11 boys at the Maharashtra Open Federating Chess Tournament held at Nagpur. In the first junior and sub-junior state aquatic competition 2019, Master L. Shresht won the silver medal in 100 and 200 meters breaststroke and bronze medal in 50 meters breaststroke. Master Shashank Kuveskar triumphed over all odds and won the gold medal in 1000 meters sprint medley relay in under 16 boys category in the 35th Maharashtra State Junior Athletics Championship organized by Maharashtra Athletic Association.
Our under 16 boys cricket team triumphed and won the T20 cricket tournament and was awarded the Rawling Trophy by Mumbai Cricket Association for 2019. In the Pro Team Basketball tournament, our under 12 girls team bagged gold medal. The list of team members is displayed on the screen. Our students also excelled at the Reliance Foundation Youth Sports organized by Reliance Foundation. The list of achievers is displayed on the screen. Many of our students have achieved merit at various karate tournament and skating events. The list of achievers is displayed on the screen. Master Aryan Patil was selected in the Futsal Football Championship from our school for the under 13 Mumbai team and the team bagged the second place.
Our students excelled at the inter-school carol singing competition organized by NI Times of India. Miss Joy Biswas, grade 10, and Ritik Mehta, grade 10, got selected for the final round of Sanskrit essay writing in PCRA Saksham National Essay Writing Competition organized by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India. Our team of quiz experts triumphed at the Brain Vita Inter-School Quiz Contest. The list of winners is displayed on the screen. Master Jaikavishwar, grade 10, secured YMCA Best Debater trophy at the YMCA debate competition. Our school team secured the first runner-up at the 7th CCC Cryptic Crossword Contest in the regional round. The event was organized by Extra C. The list of the team members is displayed on the screen. Our students displayed their artistic talent in fashion designing, graphics and fine arts organized by Silica Institute Mulund. The list is displayed on the screen. Our budding stars bagged the 4th place in Wild Wisdom Quiz at the regional level organized by WWF India in association with CBSE. The names of the team members are Akash Kore, Grade 5 and Anvi Nayak, Grade 5.
Master Naman Vaishnu of grade 5th participated in the longest line in roller skating for the Guinness World Record. Our students achieved 2nd place at the Times NI Fundamental Quiz 2019-20 organized by Times NI, Times of India. The list is displayed on the screen. Our seasoned quizzing team secured the 1st place at the Save Us Eco Achievers Quiz in the city round and qualified for the regional round. The list is displayed on the screen. Our school team triumphed and won the skimmer speed at the Skimmer Challenge Regional Level Olympiad by SAE India and Mahindra Rise. The list is displayed on the screen. Our student, Master Suvan Lokhande, was awarded Child Artist Award by Aage Badho India. Our student, Miss Sharanya Singh, is a child prodigy and has acted in many ad films. Our students excelled in Geeta chanting competition. The list is displayed on the screen.
Our school imparts holistic education. Here are some of the glimpses of events, celebrations and festivals.
Our school conducts various excursions and field. To equip with ongoing changes, various teachers' orientation programs and workshops are conducted. Our school conducts orientation programs and workshops for students. School has been publishing school newsletter and school magazine separately since 2015, which is posted on school website. Our school has got various plethora of events, of which is difficult to cover here. The details of all the achievers is uploaded on the school website.
We appreciate and are deeply obliged to our team of sports teachers and coaches who continue to coach and mentor our athletes to achieve success beyond compare. As quoted by APJ Abdul Kalam, the purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers.
We appreciate the hard work of our teachers who have trained, taught and also inculcated the highest moral values and skills in our students. We are extremely proud of our teachers who have been awarded citations for meritorious service. The list is displayed on the screen. As quoted by Ronald Reagan, a great leader is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. Our Vice Principal, Ms. Monalsa Basu, Headmistress, Ms. Kuldeep Kaur Ratan, coordinators, HODs and teachers are the epitomes of innovation, efficiency, good and just. We all continue our onward march to new horizons, molding our students to achieve the impossible. As quoted by Michelle Obama, people who are truly strong lift others up. People who are truly powerful bring others together. Our Executive Director cum Principal, Dr. Nicholas Correa, continues to inspire, guide, and galvanizes teachers and students to perform and achieve new horizons of success. We are truly indebted to you, sir.
We take pride in our achievements and in our students who continue to showcase their talents in helping the community to grow in unity and strength. We are happy to have presented the invaluable achievements of our precious students for yet another academic year. We will continue to grow from strength to strength in the knowledge that our students continue to soar and reach the pinnacle of success. This annual report is compiled by Miss Annie Korean, graphics by Miss Sujata Motling, voiceover by Miss Atisha Gulati,
And Miss Vanshika Trivedi.
Thank you.